So to add this UI, I need a way to add it into the screen, because if I play now, there is no UI showing, and I want the player to die and show like there's a wasted icon here, that we created. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna do that by adding a player controller. So what is it? According to the gameplay framework, you have a pawn here, which is the character, has like a sword here. Okay, and this player is controlled like a kind of brain, okay, called the player controller, which is you, is the player. But actually there are many types of controllers. For example, the enemies are using AI controllers. So basically a pawn needs to be controlled by a player controller. So it makes sense to put the UI inside of here, because you can put the UI like the main menu and everything. So you can put it here if you want, but we're gonna keep things clean. So we're gonna add the UI here. So in order to do that, first we need to add the player controller. So let's right click, add blueprint class, player controller, and we will call it PC my trap game, something like that. And in order to use this player controller, first we need to go to the world settings here. And here in game mode override, I will just click here and use the third person game mode, which is what we're using. If you go here, nothing has changed, okay? So here I will change the player controller to PC my trap game. Now, technically, it's better to put this in the hot class, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna keep things simple, okay? So we're gonna open our player controller, and here in the event graph, we're gonna call the blueprint. So we can put create widget, and this will create a widget. Now, which class you're gonna create? Well, you're gonna create the WBP main UI. Okay, now that you have this, let's see what happens when we play. We can still not see because we haven't tell the game that we need to add this. So in order to add this, we're gonna go here. We can promote this to a variable if we want and call it my main UI. Okay. And now that we have this, we can go here and go add to viewport. Great. So let's add it. Let's play again. And you can see that I have my wasted icon here, which is great. Now it's a little bit small. So let's take a look at what's happening here. If we add this one, let's just say that it's not using the original size. Let's just put size to content. And now you will see that it has the original size that I had before. So I can just move this one here. Let's make sure it's in the center. There you go. And now let's play again. Now you will see that I have my wasted here. There's a little issue here. As you can see, the wasted starts at the beginning. So what we need to do is basically remove it and add some animation so that we can see the wasted only when the trap kills the player.